Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix stuttering in Marvel Rivals so your gameplay becomes smooth and consistent without annoying frame skips. First, go to your graphics settings and lower demanding options like shadows, post-processing, and effects, because these can cause sudden stutters even on decent systems. Next, update your graphics drivers to the latest version to ensure better performance and stability. After that, close all unnecessary background apps, especially ones using CPU, RAM, or disk, as they can interrupt game performance. You should also install the game on an SSD instead of an HDD, since slow storage can cause loading stutters. Another important step is enabling high performance mode in your system power settings to avoid performance drops. Try disabling overlays like Discord or GeForce overlay as well. Finally, make sure your system temperatures are under control because overheating can lead to constant stuttering issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.